I used to sending your customers to long, messy links that is very much hard for them to remember. In the particular training I had with my students on how to create websites, I got this question that says, Coach, can you please help me on how to, turn my long link into a very shorter link so that people can go through my website splash particular name, and what a very much more interested to do for them. I was so glad and I was like, okay, let's do that because this person is a paid student. So after like walking through on how to create that particular link, it has a product on Seller, and after our training, I told them that you can pick any of your product on Seller and have it linked to your existing website. Like in my own case, I have www.treasuretechglobal.com, then splash writer. That's particular training we are working on right now to all writers. So you can see instead of having, we have that particular product or service or that course listed on Seller. Now we want to drive people to that particular Seller link, but not using the long form link. We just do what? Click on www.treasuretechglobal.com splash writer. Then it takes you directly to that particular website. You can check that website under the description, and you can also join the training for this. So after I walked this particular student through, and it was like, oh, coach, this is very much easier for me to do now. And I said something after our one-on-one, after like posting through on how to do this link on a one-on-one virtual class like that. And I said, coach, why not make this video for others so that others too can learn from this? And I was like, okay, well, fine. Instead of making it for only those in the website group, let me do that for all my YouTube viewers. So you are very much welcome to TreasureTech, your home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions. I'm Victor Akuremi. You call me Coach Victor, you call me Mr. Treasure. So if you're just coming across our channel for the first time, do me that great favor by doing what? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow us for more. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon. I say thank you for being part of this journey so far. I love you all. Let's dive right now into my laptop screen and let me show you how to do this by yourself. Probably you have a product listed on Seller, you now have a website and you want to integrate that to it like I just explained to you. Let me walk you through in a GV and you can do this all with 3 simple steps. Okay guys, welcome back to TreasureTech. Walk you through how to on your Seller page like that my students that did, which I also have too, or probably from any of your own affiliates link and you want to have it very customized. You can see my interface here. I've logged into my WordPress dashboard. You can see TreasureTech Global here. They add me. You know how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, just contact me and my website training. Now you are in the dashboard. You can see you have the home, a lot of things. Your might not be like this because I have a lot of things in this particular website. Being a website developer or designer, I can put a lot of juicy in my own particular website, so it may not be like this for you. So where you need to go to most importantly is add plugin. I already have the plugin listed here already, but I'll just show you. Okay, you can see here search plugins here. You click on it and put in this particular, you can see pretty, you can see immediately it's searching for me. Pretty, this is it, pretty link. This pretty link does, there are many links, there are many different plugins you can use. And so my one is active because I'm using it already. You can see this pretty link does a lot of magic for affiliate links, linking, branding,